So usually one of the steps we do, we call it investigations about property when we helping buyers to buy, is the termite inspection. Usually the seller need to provide us with the termite report. They hire someone to come and provide a termite report to the buyer to see how much termite damages do they have. I've always recommend my client to perform their own. And I've seen it before, some termite inspector probably gonna see something and the other one probably won't. So that's why I always bring a second opinion, because termite damages, it could be really costly. So yes, that's one of the things we do when we perform inspection on the property. Beside the general home inspection is actually the termite inspection, and we make sure we have complete Section 1 clearance. So it's important to do not skip this step. It's always crucial to get multiple opinions on it.